Samsung has just dropped a bombshell ahead of CES 2025, unveiling the first ever 27-inch 4K OLED gaming monitor, the G81 SF. With a razor-sharp 165 pixels per inch and a stunning 240 Hz refresh rate, this monitor takes gaming to the next level. Its ultra-responsive 0.03 milliseconds gray-to-gray pixel response time ensures flawless fluidity, offering the sharpest and most immersive gaming experience yet. Thanks to Samsung's expertise in QD OLED technology, we expect to see more monitors with this incredible panel in 2025. For those who demand nothing less than blistering motion clarity, meet the G60 SF. Sporting an extraordinary 500 Hz refresh rate and a 2560 by 1440 resolution, it delivers impeccable performance, especially for competitive gaming. VISA True Black 400 HDR brings your favorite titles to life, providing an edge in titles like Overwatch 2 and Valorant, where precision matters. While resolution might take a step back from the G81 SF, the motion clarity here is second to none.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.